drop off my brother at work. Where's your hook? Oh, hell no, y'all hear that? That shit was wet, that shit was broken, no cap.
He had that front bumper.
I need to get the F out of here, no cap. Like, it's boring as hell here, living here. It's mad boring. Sheesh. What a great morning here in Maryland. That's 12. Oof. Let me know what you guys want to see down in the comments. Like, where I live, there's not a lot of content to record, but I mean, I'll try to make the best of it. I swear people can't fucking drive. Fucking Audi badge. Niggas can't drive. Why are you guys even out here? Supposed to be, y'all supposed to be inside. Oof, oof, oof. Yes, sir. Oh, I had a burst on my car, bro. Yeah.
It's so hot in here. It's like how hot it is.
This camera and
it's like a home security camera.
yeah, I think it was basura.
Yo, that bit had camera. That truck had camera.
Car down. Got the rat meat, fool. Usually park when I come to Walmart. Sometimes I park right in the front, kind of like a dick move. I mean, copyrighted. Hold on. Full send it right now? Should I full send it right there? Oh, it's slow. Boy, that's slow. Look, I almost got put over.
Hi, welcome to Taco Bell. How can I help you?
Hi, yes, can I get the, what is it, 12 pack?
12.
Can I get the party pack, hard shells, please, all of them?
Supreme or regular?
Just regular.
Does that complete your order?
Quesadillas, please.
Does that complete your order?
Yes, man, that's it. All right, thank you. Have a good day. What's to Walmart? I said something about Taco Bell rat meat, but look where I'm at now. Let's see if I can get pulled over. Let's see. Maybe today's a day. Push me over for like, why do you have your phone or whatever? Bitch, I'm at a red light. What are you talking about? But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. I'll catch y'all this Saturday. I might be going to a cruise. I don't know. I haven't been to a banger in a hot ass minute, but I know the 17th stay tuned because there's gonna be a fat ass banger going on at 1 p.m. So just stay tuned for that. Oh look, go, hey fool, ven corta mi pasto, fool. Later, fools.